Coach Innocent Simiyu has urged the Kenya Rugby Union management to put more effort in the players' welfare and management of the team in order to take the local rugby into a higher level. Simiyu guided Kenya to a silver medal win in the Africa Sevens after losing to Zimbabwe in the last assignment as the Kenya Sevens head coach.
After guiding Kenya to a second-place finish in the just concluded Africa Sevens, Kenya Sevens head tactician Innocent Simiyu has bowed out happy and impressed by his boys' performance in Tunisia despite losing in the final.
We were able to perform outside the pitch and also the players to perform inside the pitch. So for me that was a good a send-off.
The tactician has urged the Kenya Rugby Union to provide the leadership needed and keep supporting the team to raise Kenya's game standards even higher.
We still lack leadership in how the game is being managed, and those are areas that we may have to look at, because if we don't address those, they're going to again affect how the performance and the rugby.
Simiyu took over the Kenya Sevens national team reins from Benjamin Ayimba in 2016 and guided Kenya to a record-breaking season in World Sevens Series with 104 points.
We won a lot of tournaments, including the Victoria Sevens, the Southland Sevens. We become finalists back-to-back in Hong Kong and Vancouver.
New Kenya Sevens head coach Paul Murunga heaped praise on Simiyu and the role he has played in transforming Kenyan rugby.
I've learned a few things from him and is ready to support the team any other day.
He's quite special, and from seeing him playing to now he's being my coach also, it's quite special to me personally.
It's been really awesome having such a great guy to be your coach.
As he signs out to pursue other endeavors, Namcoach is hopeful that the team will perform well in World Series that kicks off in December with the Dubai Sevens leg.